And it's Tuesday, July the 12th. Tuesday, July the 12th, 2022. And that's the air conditioner running. And Maggie sitting in front of the air conditioner keeping cool. I think she enjoys it there. And there's Maggie's stuffed toy that I got the other day. That's Birdie. Yeah, when he touched Birdie's tummy or his stomach there, he starts chirping. Yeah, he starts chirping there. And I've got the TV on. And yeah, there's the air conditioner running, and the exhaust hose hooked up to the window. And yeah, I'll just grab Birdie down here. And if I touch Birdie here, yeah, Maggie likes Birdie. And there's a look at Maggie down there.